4 dating tips for finding the right person. Obstacles to finding love. Are you single and looking for love? Are you finding it hard to meet the right person? When you're having trouble finding a love connection, it's all too easy to become discouraged or buy into the destructive myths out there about dating and relationships. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Life as a single person offers many rewards, such as being free to pursue your own hobbies and interests, learning how to enjoy your own company, and appreciating the quiet moments of solitude. However, if you're ready to share your life with someone and want to build a lasting, worthwhile relationship, life as a single person can also seem frustrating. For many of us, our emotional baggage can make finding the right romantic partner a difficult journey. Perhaps you grew up in a household where there was no role model of a solid, healthy relationship and you doubt that such a thing even exists. Or maybe your dating history consists only of brief flings and you don't know how to make a relationship last. You could be attracted to the wrong type of person or keep making the same bad choices over and over, due to an unresolved issue from your past. Or maybe you're not putting yourself in the best environments to meet the right person, or that when you do, you don't feel confident enough. Whatever the case may be, you can overcome your obstacles. Even if you've been burned repeatedly or have a poor track record when it comes to dating, these tips can help put you on the path to finding a healthy, loving relationship that lasts. What is a healthy relationship? Every relationship is unique, and people come together for many different reasons. However, there are also some characteristics that most healthy relationships have in common, such as mutual respect, trust, and honesty. In a strong, healthy relationship you also 1. Maintain a meaningful emotional connection with each other. You each make the other feel loved and emotionally fulfilled. 2. Are able to respectfully disagree. You need to feel safe to express things that bother you without fear of retaliation, and be able to resolve conflict without humiliation, degradation, or insisting on being right. 3. Keep outside relationships and interests alive. To stimulate and enrich your romantic relationship, it's important to sustain your own identity outside of the relationship, preserve connections with family and friends, and maintain your hobbies and interests. 4. Communicate openly and honestly. Good communication is a key part of any relationship. When both people know what they want from the relationship and feel comfortable expressing their needs, fears, and desires, it can increase trust and strengthen the bond between you. Dating tips. Keep things in perspective. 1. Don't make your search for a relationship the center of your life. Concentrate on activities you enjoy, your career, health, and relationships with family and friends. When you focus on keeping yourself happy, it will keep your life balanced and make you a more interesting person when you do meet someone special. 2. Remember that first impressions aren't always reliable, especially when it comes to internet dating. It always takes time to really get to know a person and you have to experience being with someone in a variety of situations. For example, how well does this person hold up under pressure when things don't go well or when they're tired, frustrated, or hungry? 3. Be honest about your own flaws and shortcomings. Everyone has flaws, and for a relationship to last, you want someone to love you for the person you are, not the person you'd like to be, or the person they think you should be. Besides, what you consider a flaw may actually be something another person finds quirky and appealing. By shedding all pretense, you'll encourage the other person to do the same, which can lead to an honest, more fulfilling relationship. 4. Put a priority on having fun. Online dating, singles events, and matchmaking services like speed dating are enjoyable for some people, but for others they can feel more like high-pressure job interviews. And whatever dating experts might tell you, there is a big difference between finding the right career and finding lasting love. Instead of scouring dating sites or hanging out in pickup bars, think of your time as a single person as a great opportunity to expand your social circle and participate in new events. Make having fun your focus. By pursuing activities you enjoy and putting yourself in new environments, you'll meet new people who share similar interests and values. Even if you don't find someone special, you will still have enjoyed yourself and maybe forged new friendships as well. Click link below about the relationship enhancement tool. It's something you can learn once, but then use for the rest of your life. Thanks for watching. Hit like button if you love this video, Share with friends and subscribe to support us.